Kaspa will make me a multimillionaire. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. I'm Chris and today we're about to speak for Kaspa because Kaspa is programmed to reach $5 minimum. And yes, you heard right guys, $5 is minimum. I have made a video that I'm explaining you why Kaspa can reach up to $10, and that $10 is very realistic, and you need to realize that on the next bull run guys, we're about to see an all-time high of the money that are gonna flow in the crypto space. It's estimated that we're about to see up to 10 trillion in a market cap because the global economy is going from bad to worse, and people are actually gonna find ways to escape from that very bad reality because economy won't actually get better. It's gonna get even worse than we are right now. And guys, Kaspa at this time that we are speaking is actually the perfect crypto, and I believe, according to my opinion, it's gonna have the best reward in the next bull run and also the safest reward out there. So for me, it deserves a big attention from you. I don't say to listen to this video or whatever Kaspa video and go blind all in. I'm suggesting you to dedicate yourself 4 to 5 hours to explore Kaspa deeply, because only that way you're gonna realize that what is Kaspa, why it can become the top 2 crypto, and why in the future, in the distant future, it can replace even Ethereum. So in this video we're about to speak for the today's insane rally that we saw up to 0.051 cents. And guys, I have told you and have prepared you for that scenario that when we were back from 3 cents area, 0.035 cents area, I was calling you that we are about to explode straight. This was the first scenario of which I was believing back then, to reach straight up to 0.05 cents, 0.055 cents, and then I told you for some healthy correction. We are about to see what's going on as the next step. We're about to see that tomorrow is the next reduction day, and lots of more things like the rank of Kaspa and some interesting tips that you need to have in your mind. So if you're interested to know all of these things, all you have to do is to remain until the end of the video. And before we continue, I would like to declare you that I'm not a financial advisor. Whatever that you are going to see in this video is my personal opinion, my personal approach. Always do your own research before any kind of financial investment. And guys, also do not forget to check my Patreon group, because here you are going to find my private Telegram community where you're going to be able to speak with me 24/7. You can ask me absolutely everything on that group. I'm going to be there for you. Also, we have lots of multimillionaires in that group, lots of guys with very high experience also included, and all together we are working like a team, like a family. We helping each other, and that's the most specific thing that you need to have around you. A very good connections. Also, you're going to have access to my crypto portfolio. You are going to see exactly what I'm holding in real time and how I handle my crypto portfolio. And in real time, also, you're going to have my buy signals, take profit signals, and sell signals. So just in case that you are a beginner or you don't know when to buy and when to sell or whatsoever, I recommend you guys to join into my Patreon group, because I gave you 2 very big signals in the Kaspa when it had some correction. And if you bought in these areas here, you would have above 3x, and on that second signal you would have above 2x, so you would be profitable. So if you're looking to build connections, to have fun, to upgrade your knowledge and make gains, this Patreon group is for you, and I'm waiting to see you there. Without losing more time, let's get straight into the price. Speak a little bit for the price and move on. Guys, all-time high, it reached very close to 0.052 cents before a couple hours. Right now, we experience some pullback, which is healthy. Okay, big whales actually are taking profits, especially right now, which is there is a lot hype around Kaspa. I don't say that Kaspa is all over the hype, okay, but 20% is hype. Okay, we need to be realistic because more people start exposing Kaspa. I believe 75%, which is a very good ratio, is diamond hands, and 25% is actually people who don't know Kaspa. They bought Kaspa blindly, so in every fluctuation of the price, either they sell or either they buy, so they don't know exactly what they're doing. We have obviously lots of FOMO in these areas, and that's why we are in a very big overbought position. You can clearly see here we are in overbought position that lasts long, and I'm expecting, if you actually put here a resistance line in the RSI, you're gonna notice that we are very close, and I believe that there is a very high probability scenario to happen like that, to see RSI into a drop and also into a breakout of this uptrend support. Okay, which means that if not from that area, but in an area like 0.055 cents, which I warned you the previous weeks that exactly this scenario it can play out. I told you exactly these numbers, and from that area to see a pullback, a healthy pullback, a healthy correction. Do not freak out. Okay, some people say this is impossible because we have very strong investors and all these things. Guys, nothing goes straight up. We have also, as I told you, 25%. I estimate that is the hypers. So if a slight pullback is going to happen and we will see 0.043 or 42 cents area, the price of Kaspa, lots of people going to fear, and maybe we will see furthermore sell-off because the people who are buying on these prices are going to get lost. Okay, are going to get lost from the early investors. So what I suggest you, that's why in my Patreon group, I'm actually advise the people do not swing trade in Kaspa. Do dollar cost average every day. When you see a real big dip, and you have accumulate some cash ready to go into the market, in that dip you can go heavily again. So I believe very soon I'm gonna give the third signal, the third successful signal, which maybe is the last dip. Okay, because subsequently I'm expecting to get even higher the next dip, because I don't believe that Kaspa will get again under 2 cents ever again. So I believe that the worst case scenario is going to be close to 4 cents, something like that. We will see. I'm going to investigate that at that specific time according to how we're going to react also in the RSI too. But that's from the technical side, obviously, because if something very well, it's going to happen from fundamental side. I'm expecting, guys, definitely Kaspa to get even higher. That's why you should not rely only in technicals, but also in fundamentals, because if Binance will list, let's say the random example, okay, Kaspa the next week, no matter how bearish or bullish is the Kaspa chart, the price is gonna get up. Okay, this is something that you need to have in your mind to do not rely only in technicals. And guys, as you can clearly see, ranked 45. This is insane. Okay, I have been telling you that Kaspa is gonna get under top 60 very soon when we were in top 90. In ranked top 90 coins. So right now we are ranked 45. The world crypto space is dropping. Kaspa is spamming, and that's astonishing. We reached 1 billion market cap, and that's insane, guys. Also, you can clearly see in 19 hours from now we have the next reduction is the halving of the Kaspa. Kaspa does a halving every month, and that's insane. The reward is gonna be 185. And guys, also I would like to tell you that in the top addresses you are going to see that Mixi, which is one of the biggest exchanges that are holding Kaspa and actually is a whale of Kaspa, swing trade the Kaspa. It's moving from Aquaman to Halving all over the time. It has done that lots of times, and as you understand, this is something that you need to have in your mind. That's why we see dump on Kaspa. That's why we see healthy corrections, because Mixi is buying Kaspa when it's find a very great opportunity, and it gets above 1 billion Kaspa coins, and when the price is overbought, they are selling some millions of Kaspa coins, and they are playing with that swing trades, and they're becoming more profitable with that way, moving within Aquaman and Halving. But as you can clearly see, whales have been increased, sharks have been increased, dolphins have been increased, and everything is up, okay, which is very impressive to the adoption of Kaspa. And also, as I told you, I'm expecting, guys, Kaspa to $5 is the bearish scenario for me. I have a spoke for Kaspa that can reach up to $10, and that's realistic, not something crazy, not moonboy theory. Because guys, until 2025 I'm expecting to see the Dark Knight protocol implemented, and also the Rust language, which is about to rewrite and gonna move from the Golang into Rust language. That's gonna make, guys, the Kaspa unbeatable. It's gonna have unbelievable security, unprecedented scalability. We're about to see scalability, guys, up to crazy thousands of transactions per second, and the block creation is going to be crazy. Okay, we're about to see maybe up to 32 blocks per second. Right now we have 1 block per second, and Bitcoin, just to compare that, has 1 block per 10 minutes. Kaspa right now with the Ghost Duck protocol has 1 block per second. With the Dark Knight protocol we are about to have 32 blocks per second, which means that, guys, every orphan block is going to be exploited, and that's insane. That's what blockduck does. Okay, we exploit the orphan blocks, and that's insane, guys, because the other maybe competitors like Litecoin or whatsoever Bitcoin Cash are actually, in order to scale, to increase the scalability and solve the trilemma, they are sacrificing security. And this is the major problem of other layer ones that have proof of work. They couldn't actually find a way to have a robust security and also exploit the orphan blocks, so they would be able to scale and at the same time simultaneously to have security, robust security. Kaspa found a way, and thanks to Jonathan Sobolinski and his genius mind, that he invented these protocols from 2013. He was actually researching for Kaspa how to solve this trilemma with the most efficient way, and he found a way, guys. And we really thank him, because he's one of a kind in this category, and he has respect from all CEOs, from every founder of any project. Okay, everyone respect Jonathan. So this is exactly why I believe that Kaspa can become the digital silver, and only into 2025 it's gonna be the beginning. Okay, because subsequently we're about to see smart contracts, lots of DApps, lots of layer 2s in Kaspa, and Kaspa from the 2025 and after, I believe it's gonna head straight to flip Ethereum. 2029 and 2032, I believe, is going to be the year which Kaspa will shock the world. Okay, thank you so much for your support. I recommend you guys to follow me on Twitter, because here you're about to see all my posts on Kaspa. Some of these posts are actually updates with news, are very helpful. So if you're interested to know the news and some important things about Kaspa, I recommend you to enter to my Twitter and see the posts. And as I told you, thank you so much for your support. Appreciate you for every like, every comment, and let me know down below in the comment section if you have any question. I will be happy to reply that, and I will see you all in my next video. Until then, your boy Chris out. Bye.